welcome to Jodri tutorial channel. Today we will discuss about Process Builder in Salesforce. So basically Process Builder is an automation tool which executes when some actions are performed. And Process Builder and Workflow are very similar to each other, but in Workflow we have only 4 actions, but in Process Builder we have more options. So there is many actions type in Process Builder, like create a record, update a record, send an email alert, uh, perform some action through Apex class, and there are many more actions you can see. So let's understand Process Builder with an example. So basically our requirement is when we in the opportunity object, when my criteria is when status equal to closed one, and amount should be equal to or greater than 25,000, then automatically contract record will create. So to create Process Builder, go to setup. In quick find, just type Process Builder. Create new. Here's your process name, like contract record create. The process start when there is 3 options, so we will select the record change. So this is the process builder. So it will start, then we have to add object. Just click on the add object, and in which object you have to perform action, like so a requirement is on opportunity object we will select. So you can start the process when a record is created, or when a record is created or edited. So in my requirement I choose when a record is created or edited. So there is one more option, advanced. So this is the if you want, if you select this one, the process can evaluate the same record up to 6 times in a single save operation. It means if you want to perform some recursion function, so you can check this one, otherwise no. Just save this one. Now add criteria, just your criteria name. So these are the conditions you can set. So in our requirement we have 2 conditions, like if status on opportunity object, status, sorry, stage equal to closed one, and amount should be greater than or equal to, like greater than or equal to 25,000. So there is the conditions, you can select any of these. All of the condition are met, any of the condition are met. If you want all the conditions are met, and if you want some of the condition are met, you can choose all, and you can customize your logic also. So in our requirement we will choose all the conditions are met. And there is also an advanced option. So when you select yes, the action was executed only if the record meet the criteria now, but the values that the record had immediately before it was saved didn't meet criteria. Okay. So you can select this one if you want this. Now it's time to perform some action. So you can choose your action type from here. So we will perform create a record action. Create. So here is the record type. So we will choose contact because we want to create contact record. So here we will choose contact. So here is the field ID field. So you can choose field reference and value should be on opportunity account ID. So this is the account ID, and you can add as many as field you want, and I want key status should be draft. I just want to create these two fields. Just save. Now before test this process, you just need to activate your process. Now we'll go to opportunity and create new record. So test process record. So I will choose amount greater than 25,000 and stage should be closed one. When these are two, these are the, sorry, these are our requirement, like stage should be closed one and amount should be amount. Then contact record will create. So let's see. Now just go to contact and see there is any record create or not. You can see. We give account name test. So here it will automatically populate test, and we assign status as draft. So this is the requirement. Now if we go to opportunities and create new one, and we will put 20,000 here, and stage should be closed one. Now our criteria is different than the process. So now the contact record will not create. Now you can see no contract record will create. So contract record will create when these two criteria will match. Otherwise, it will not create any contract record. So this is the action type, create a record. Now you can perform this same action with the help of Apex class. So now we will see how to use Apex action type. Okay, just create new contact record. Sorry. So first we need to deactivate this one. because we are going to do the same with the help of Apex class. Add your object, same like opportunity, and when a record is created and save, add criteria. You can also criteria for, there is option criteria for execution action. So if you want all the conditions are met, then you can select this one. If you uh, want to put some formula, you can choose this one. If you want no criteria, just execute the action, then you can select this one. So requirement is stage should be closed one and amount greater than or equal to 25,000. All the conditions are met. Save. Now in action, we will choose Apex rather than create a record. So when you choose Apex, you can name. Now you have to choose your Apex class. So let me see my Apex class. To include any Apex class, in your action, you need to put this one, this method, invocable method. This is the requirement. If you include any Apex class in your process, you need to put this one, invocable method. So this is my Apex class to create contract. You can also create your contract, you can update, you can delete, you can perform any action through your Apex class. So now this class, I will call this class here, create contract and save. You can see opportunities closed won and amount is 25 greater than and equal to 25,000. Then contact list will create. So I just here only insert contact list. So I perform action. You can also add more criteria and more actions, and now just activate your. Now let me see before activation there is any like an opportunity. Yeah. Now you can see no contact record will create uh, because we didn't activate our process. So now you can see no contact record will create. You can see there is only one contact record. Now we activate our process and let's see this will perform. Now go to opportunity. Now I met all the criterias and create new account. Now you can see contact record will create automatically. So it will create all the record of opportunity where these criteria are met. So you can see this one, this opportunity. So this is the account. So you can see all the record will create which has which has like which has amount about 25,000 and stays equal to closed phone. Now we'll understand next action. Go back to setup, process builder, new one. Now we will see update a record action. So now I have to perform like on account when I create any account record and the phone number, if I edit any phone number on account object, then automatically the contact will update. Contact records phone number will update. Let's see. Update contact record. Same record change. Add object account. Now add criteria like phone number equals to like is change true. When any phone number will change, this is our criteria. Then we add some action like update a record. Then we update contact record. So select a record type which is contact. So there is two options. Select a record related to account. Select the account record that is started your process. So we will select this one because we want related contact. So here's the contact. Choose. Now no, there is two option, no criteria, just update the record, and criteria, you can add your criteria, but we don't need any criteria on contact object. We just want no criteria, just update the record. So we want the phone number on contact number will update. So we will choose phone number. So I want only business phone will change. So field reference will be account phone. So we will select account phone and save. Now activate your process. Just go back to account. So there is a, no, we need to create new one. Let me activate my, so there's the name of account. So there is a field phone number. Now I'm giving it this one. And in related, I create new contact. So there is automatically phone number will come, and just save this record. Now there you can see the phone number is 123456789. So now I'm update this one like something else, and I'm gonna save it. Now you can see this one is also update. So this is the action update a record. So there is many actions we will discuss one by one all in our next video. Thank you so much.